This is an example of solving an equation that has multiple different terms and requires us to distribute into parentheses. The first step that we want to do after we draw our line to keep our work neat is distribute. That means that we're going to multiply -2 to 2x and to 6. So we're going to copy this down. We have -4x plus 15 minus 4x minus 12 equals 19. This gave us -4x, and this gave us -12 because we have a negative sign here. Then we want to look for what we call like terms. We can put these together because they both have x's to give us -8x. Then we can put these together because they're both simply numbers. So we get 15 minus 12 is 3. And we keep the plus or equals 19. Now we need to get rid of this 3 and then get rid of this 8. So we're going to do -3 to each side. So we're left with -8x equals 16. And then we're going to divide by -8 to give us x equals -2. And that's our answer. If we were to take our original equation and we were to put this -2 instead of x, we should get a true statement. So I could check it, where I'd have -4 times -2, which was x, plus 15 minus 2 times -2, 2 times -2 plus 6 equals 19. So this is 8 plus 15 minus 2. We still have to do the inside part here. And then we'll do this inside part again. So when we put these together, we get 2. I'll keep going. So I have 8 plus 15 minus 4 equals 19. This gives me 23 minus 4 equals 19. So this was just to check if we were correct, and we could even use a calculator. This part here was solving what we call a multi-step, meaning more than one step equation with distributing.